Janob Prezident, iqtibosni o'qib eshittirish uchun ijozat berishingizni so'raymiz.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I shall now read out the citation. His Excellency Mr. Shafkat Mirziyoyev, President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, is a visionary leader and a statesman of exceptional stature. He has led Uzbekistan's transformation to Yangi Uzbekistan, that is to say, New Uzbekistan, by introducing extraordinary public reforms, championing the cause of moderation, justice, and people-centric socio-economic equality.
O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Shavkat Mirziyoyev janobi oliylari uzoqni ko'ra biladigan yetakchi va yuksak maqomli davlat arbobidir. U yangi O'zbekistonni barpo etish yo'lida keng ko'lamli davlat islohotlarini joriy etib, mo'tadillik, adolat hamda inson manfaatlariga asoslangan ijtimoiy-iqtisodiy tenglik g'oyalarini ilgari surdi.
Under His Excellency's astute guidance, the Republic of Uzbekistan has emerged as a beacon of peace, stability, prosperity, and development in Central Asia. His tireless efforts for regional integration and advocacy for a just and lasting resolution of all unresolved global disputes based on international law and diplomacy have earned him profound international acclaim and recognition.
Janobi oliylari tomonidan olib borilgan dono rahbarlik ostida O'zbekiston Respublikasi Markaziy Osiyoda tinchlik, barqarorlik, farovonlik va taraqqiyot timsoliga aylandi. Uning mintaqaviy integratsiya yo'lidagi tinlari, shuningdek, xalqaro huquq va diplomatiya asosida barcha dolzarb global nizolarni adolatli va barqaror hal etish tarafdori sifatidagi faoliyati unga yuksak xalqaro e'tirof va hurmat keltirdi.
His Excellency has been a strong proponent of enhancing inter-regional connectivity between Central and South Asia, advancing a vision of closer economic integration, sustainable development, and shared prosperity. A flagship initiative of his forward-looking policy is the implementation of the Uzbekistan-Afghanistan-Pakistan railway project, which will transform regional trade, transit connectivity, and people-to-people linkages across the broader Eurasian space.
Janobi oliylari Markaziy va Janubiy Osiyo o'rtasidagi mintaqalararo bog'liqlikni kuchaytirish, yaqin iqtisodiy integratsiya, barqaror rivojlanish va umumiy farovonlikni ta'minlash tarafdori bo'lib kelmoqda. Uning istiqbolli siyosatining muhim tashabbuslaridan biri O'zbekiston, Afg'oniston, Pokiston temir yo'li loyihasini amalga oshirish bo'lib, u Yevrosiyo keng makonida mintaqaviy savdo, tranzit aloqalari va xalqlar o'rtasidagi bog'liqlikni tubdan o'zgartiradi.
His Excellency has been a steadfast and resolute friend of Pakistan. By virtue of his personal engagement and visionary leadership, the bilateral relations between Pakistan and Uzbekistan have been further strengthened across numerous fields, encompassing economic cooperation, trade, defense, education, culture, and people-to-people contacts.
Janobi oliylari Pokistonning sobit va ishonchli do'sti hisoblanadi. Uning shaxsiy sa'y-harakatlari va uzoqni ko'ra biladigan rahbarligi tufayli Pokiston va O'zbekiston o'rtasidagi ikki tomonlama munosabatlar iqtisodiy hamkorlik, savdo va bog'liqlik, mudofaa, ta'lim, madaniyat hamda xalqlar o'rtasidagi aloqalar kabi ko'plab sohalarda sezilarli darajada mustahkamlandi.
As a result of these focused efforts, bilateral relations between the two brotherly nations have been elevated to the level of strategic partnership, reflecting a new age of trust, depth, and mutual understanding.
Mazkur sa'y-harakatlar natijasida ikki qardosh xalq o'rtasidagi ikki tomonlama munosabatlar strategik sheriklik darajasiga ko'tarildi. Bu esa ishonch, chuqur mazmunli hamkorlik va o'zaro tushunishning yangi davrini ifodalaydi.
In this paradigm, the establishment of the High-Level Strategic Cooperation Council stands as a landmark achievement, providing an enduring institutional framework for long-term collaboration and strategic dialogue. Furthermore, a number of fundamental bilateral agreements have been concluded under His Excellency's guidance, aiming at expanding bilateral, enhancing economic cooperation, and unlocking new avenues for mutually beneficial engagements.
Ushbu jarayonda yuqori darajadagi strategik hamkorlik kengashining tashkil etilishi uzoq muddatli hamkorlik va strategik muloqot uchun mustahkam institutsional asos yaratgan muhim tarixiy yutuq bo'ldi. Bundan tashqari, janobi oliylari rahbarligida bir qator muhim ikki tomonlama bitimlar imzolanib, ular savdo hajmini kengaytirish, iqtisodiy hamkorlikni kuchaytirish va o'zaro manfaatli hamkorlikning yangi yo'nalishlarini ochishga qaratilgan.
These developments serve to reinforce the enduring foundation of historic friendship, spiritual affinities, and strong brotherhood between the two nations, while also fostering new avenues of cooperation. The people and the government of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan deeply value His Excellency's solidarity with Pakistan and his commitment to further strengthening our bilateral relations.
Mazkur rivojlanishlar ikki davlat o'rtasidagi tarixiy do'stlik, ma'naviy yaqinlik va mustahkam birodarlik asoslarini yanada mustahkamlab, hamkorlik uchun yangi imkoniyatlar yaratmoqda. Pokiston Islom Respublikasi xalqi va hukumati janobi oliylarining Pokiston bilan birdamligi va ikki tomonlama munosabatlarni yanada mustahkamlashga bo'lgan qat'iy intilishini yuksak qadrlaydi.
In recognition of his remarkable statesmanship and enduring contributions for further cementing relations between Pakistan and Uzbekistan, coupled with his untiring efforts for the promotion of regional and international peace, the President of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan has been pleased to confer upon His Excellency Mr. Shafkat Mirziyoyev, President of the Republic of Uzbekistan, the highest award of Nishan-e-Pakistan as a symbol of profound respect, admiration and friendship from the people and government of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
Pokiston va O'zbekiston o'rtasidagi munosabatlarni mustahkamlashdagi ulkan davlat arbobligi va barqaror hissasi, shuningdek, mintaqaviy va xalqaro tinchlikni targ'ib etish yo'lidagi tinimsiz sa'y-harakatlarni e'tirof etgan holda, Pokiston Islom Respublikasi Prezidenti, O'zbekiston Respublikasi Prezidenti Shavkat Mirziyoyev janobi oliylarni Pokiston Islom Respublikasi xalqi va hukumati nomidan chuqur hurmat, ehtirom va do'stlik ramzi sifatida mamlakatning eng oliy mukofoti Nishoni Pokiston ordeni bilan taqdirlash sharafiga muyassar bo'ldilar.
I now request His Excellency Mr. Shafkat Mirziyoyev to please come forward. And Mr. President, may I request you to decorate the award of Nishan-e-Pakistan upon His Excellency. I would also request the Prime Minister to grace the conferment.
Endi Shavkat Mirziyoyev janobi oliylarni oldinga chiqishga taklif etamiz. Janob Prezident, iltimos janobi oliylari ko'ksiga Nishoni Pokiston mukofotini taqib berishingizni so'raymiz. Shuningdek, bosh vazirni taqdirlash marosimini sharaflashga taklif etamiz.
Mr. President, may I please have your permission to close the investiture ceremony?
Janob Prezident, taqdirlash marosimini yakunlash uchun ruxsat berishingizni so'raymiz.
Ladies and gentlemen, the formal proceedings of the special investiture ceremony are now over.
उज़्बेकिस्तान के सदर शौकत मिर्ज़ियोयेव को पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा एजाज निशान पाकिस्तान अता करने की
शौकत मिर्ज़ियोयेव को पाकिस्तान का आला तरीन सिविल एजाज निशान पाकिस्तान देने की तकरीब आप अपने स्क्रीन पर बराह रास्त देख रहे हैं। सदर मुमलिकत आसिफ अली ज़रदारी ने उज़्बेकिस्तान के सदर शौकत मिर्ज़ियोयेव को आला तरीन एजाज निशान पाकिस्तान अता किया। निशान पाकिस्तान का एजाज उन्हें दो तरफा ताल्लुकात को मजबूत बनाने के लिए अता किया गया।